Imagine 4 investors sitting in a room. One is betting on India, another is betting on China, one is betting on US, last one is betting on Middle East. After 10 years, only one would be the clear winner. आपको क्या लगता है इनमें से कौन clear winner होगा? Today, we will uncover the hidden facts that drives the long-term growth and we'll see where the next big opportunity really lies in. So what drives countries' growth? Growth doesn't just happen. Behind every country's economic story, there are a few core factors. Let's discuss one by one. First one is a labor force. It means उस देश में कितने लोग काम करने वाले हैं और कितने स्किलफुल लोग काम करने वाले हैं. आप इसे एक एग्जांपल की मदद से समझ सकते हैं. एज्यूम करो किसी किचन में खाना बन रहा है. उस किचन में कितने शेफ हैं खाना बनाने के लिए. जितने ज्यादा शेफ होंगे उतना ज्यादा खाना बनेगा. द सेम अप्लाइज टू एनी कंट्री ऑल्सो. जितने ज्यादा लोग वहां पे काम करने वाले होंगे उस देश का प्रोडक्शन उतना ही ज्यादा होगा. इसको एक रियल लाइफ एग्जांपल से समझते हैं. यू मस्ट हैव हर्ड अबाउट जापान. Japanese government is suspecting their population is going down. That's why they are inviting more people to come there and work there. Second factor is capital investment. How much money goes into factories, technology, infrastructure? किसी भी देश में जितना ज्यादा इन्वेस्टमेंट होगा उतना ही ग्रोथ भी होगा. थर्ड फैक्टर इज प्रोडक्टिविटी. Productivity is how efficiently we use people, machine, resources to produce goods and services. Next factor is natural resources. How much natural resources available in that country, which is land, oil, minerals, etc. Now we can compare across different countries around these factors, whatever we have discussed above. Let's start with our country only, India. So इंडिया की मेजर पॉपुलेशन यंग पॉपुलेशन है. एज पर सोर्सेज मीडियन पॉपुलेशन इज एट द एज ऑफ 28. मिडिल क्लास इज राइजिंग विच मीन्स देयर इज अ ह्यूज डिमांड इन फ्यूचर. अवर प्रोडक्टिविटी इज नॉट अप टू द मार्क बट वी आर इम्प्रूविंग इट. We are doing big investments in digital payment, tech, infrastructure, manufacturing. That's why whole world considers India as a major player. Let's talk about China. Their population is aging, median population is 39. Their workforce is shrinking. Historically, there have been a massive capital investments, but returns are slowing. Still, it's a manufacturing powerhouse, but slowing as compared to past 30 years. So takeaway is great growth in the past, but risks are rising now. अब बात करते हैं यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स की. It's a mature economy, slower population growth, productivity is high, innovation hub, AI, tech, finance, it's a huge capital market. So growth is slower, but stability and innovation keep it attractive. Let's talk about Middle East. Small population, but huge capital. Oil and gas money. Labor force is young but limited. Growth depends on oil prices. Productivity improving due to diversification. So takeaway is their growth tied to commodities, but interesting for energy and infrastructure investors. So अब क्वेश्चन आता है आपको कहाँ पे इन्वेस्ट करना चाहिए. If you want high growth, then India is a rising star. If you want stability plus innovation, you should invest in US. China is riskier but still huge in manufacturing. Middle East is bet on energy and diversification. World's growth map is shifting today. 10 years from now, winner will be that country that best balances people, capital and productivity. So where would you bet today? Drop your answers in comment section and don't forget to subscribe for more insights on macroeconomics and investing.